Hi everyone, this is a bit of a short video for you today. I forgot to start recording the set when I was putting the acrylic down, so I decided to just make this a video of you showing me doing some hand filing and also me doing the top coat. So the pinky finger and the ring finger I've left in real time just so that you can see like the speed of what I file at, and then the rest of the fingers I've sped them all up by about 4 times just so that the video is not really long and boring for you. But yeah, I've also included the top coating because some of these nails are the glass nails. They've just got some like shard and mylar glitter in, and we all love a bit of top coat porn. So when I do the top coat on those nails, I've put those in a bit of slow motion for you. But yeah, so if you've got any questions, then just pop them in the comments for me, and I'll answer them for you. Or if you just feel like saying hello, then I will say hello back. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry I didn't include the acrylic application, but I thought this was better than nothing. So yeah, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.
No looking back.